And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 121. Let me show the stacked column graph tool. Works just like the two tools that we've already talked about. You left click on the canvas, you define a size, and then the first row right here in the data cells. This gives a name to the data. Let us stick to social media. Then you add the values, but now these values are stacked. And if you add a second row of values, you're going to get a second column, just like this. And if you leave a space, it's actually going to be empty in your graph. So let me add a third stacked column right here with a couple of values. And there you go. So the first value, the darkest one is YouTube, second one then X and so forth. And you can also flip it here. So if you don't want to have a legend, but you want these values to be added right there, you can do that easily. Let me flip it again. You can obviously just also use the type tool right there and then add, for example, a value here for every column. Let's make that 2024, 5, and 26. So I simply type that in, text element, then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy paste. I use T to access the type tool again, left click on it, and then I change the last value. And as I've shown you in the last video, if you want to recolor that, simply select your graph, then go to Object and Ungroup, confirm the warning message, once again Object, and then use Ungroup All, and you can select, for example, the segment on top and Instagram. Just hold Shift when you left click on multiple elements, they will be all selected then, and change the fill color. And this is how you can use the stack column graph tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.